Hey, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Welcome to another session of Sing and Cook on Sanjeev Kapoor's Khazana. And I'm Harpal Singh Sokhi. Today I'm going to show you some unique dish. This is a fight between us and England. We say that it's our national dish. English people say it's their national dish. What is that? Can you guess it right? Yes, chicken tikka masala. Everybody says that it originated in India, but some people say that it originated in Glasgow. Who's going to fight it? But let them fight. Let me show you how you make a chicken tikka masala. What do we do first? First, let me light a flame and put a pan on fire. Oil for cooking. So let me pour some oil in this pan that I've kept to heat. In goes cumin seeds, bay leaf, whole spices, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, and some cinnamon. Once you get the nice aroma of cumin and the whole spices, we'll add some chopped onions to this. Now here, I'm going to brown the onions. So while my onions get brown, what I'll do is, I've got these cheeky red tomatoes. Let me chop them. 2 to 3 cheeky red tomatoes. Remove the eyes. And slice them first. And then chop them fine. In the meanwhile, stir the onions once so that they get uniformly brown and not brown just from the edges here around the sides. The onions are now getting browned here, nice and golden brown. That's the color I am looking for. Now to this, I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste. I'll cook the ginger and garlic paste for a minute or so that the raw flavors of the garlic and ginger will be removed and you'll get a nice cooked flavor. To this, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook these tomatoes until they are soft and pulpy. I need them to be absolutely pulpy, you know. I don't want them to remain like cubes, small little cubes. They should be nice, soft and pulpy here. The tomatoes now are nice and soft, pulpy, they have cooked. Now we'll add the spices, ground spices, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. Add more if you like spicy food, a bit of turmeric, salt to taste. Cook this together with the spices for some time so that the spices also get nicely cooked and aromatic. We'll now add the cashew nut melon seed paste. Cook this paste now till it leaves the side, which means the oil oozes out and the masala is cooked. That's an indication when you know that the spices and everything here in for the chicken tikka masala is cooked. To this, I'm going to add some cubes of cooked chicken tikka, cut them into smaller pieces. Add in the chicken tikka here. And mix. If you want, you can pour in some water. As you add water, the chicken also becomes a little tender, gets cooked here and gets coated with the gravy and also captures the gravy flavors completely. So let this get cooked here in the gravy. Now traditionally actually we add some cubes of tomato, capsicum and onions to the chicken tikka masala. Wherever you will travel across the world, you would generally get this. So I'm adding this cubes of onion to this. Now how do you cut cubes of onion? Cut the onion into half and then cut it into cubes like this and remove each of these scales. So you get nice separated scales of onion, some cubes of capsicum, cut it from the sides so that you don't get the seeds and cut it into cubes like this. And cubes of tomato. Remove the pulp, which you can use for your cooking of other things like gravies at home or soups. Do not throw the pulp away. So to this, first I'll add the onions so that the onions get cooked first, because tomatoes and capsicum get cooked faster. And then the tomatoes and capsicum becomes nice and colorful. Now finally to this, I'll add some cream so that it becomes nice and creamy. Sprinkle some garam masala, some freshly chopped coriander, juice of a lime, and mix this nicely. Becomes nice and creamy. The chicken tikka masala is now ready. Just the consistency that I am looking for, or you would get in any restaurants in India or Glasgow for that matter. Let me just have a taste of the seasoning. Nice and creamy, full of tomatoes and the goodness of spices. For all my friends across this world, chicken tikka masala just for you.